Gentlemen, and welcome to the Paul Lawrence Dunbar Lady Bulldogs Senior Night 2016. Before we begin celebrating our three seniors, we would like to take this opportunity to honor the three seniors tonight playing for Lexington Christian Academy. They are number 8, Brooke Tackett. Number 20, Shannon West. And number 26, Molly Dragu. Good luck, Lexington Christian Academy seniors. And now presenting to you the Dunbar seniors. Number 1, Amy Holbrook. Amy is the daughter of Sam and Susie Holbrook. Tonight she is joined on the field by her dad Sam and her brother Adam. Amy's been playing soccer for 13 years. At Dunbar she's played varsity all 4 years. She has also played the past 6 years for CSC. 2 of Amy's favorite memories while at Dunbar are the trip this summer to Disney World, and when Amy was a sophomore, she scored the winning penalty kick to send us to regions. Amy is undecided as of now where she'll be going to college, but she would like to study interior design, possibly at High Point University. Good luck, Amy. Next up, number 10, Grace Kelly. Grace is the daughter of Jennifer and Craig Kelly. She's joined here tonight by her mom and dad, her sisters, Hannah and Rachel, and her grandparents, Don and Janice Kelly. Grace has been playing soccer since she was 4. She plays club soccer for CSC. At Dunbar, she has played for 4 years, 3 of those on varsity. Grace has been a JV captain and is now a senior captain. Her favorite memories of Dunbar are being part of the regional championship team, and a special memory is the Disney World trip this summer. Grace plans on studying biology at college and then on to vet school. Good luck, Grace. And last, but certainly not least, number 22, Jessie Raycan. Jessie is the daughter of Tim and Janice Raycan. She's joined on the field tonight by her parents and her sister, Marissa. Jessie has played soccer for 10 years. She plays club soccer for CSC, and she has played at Dunbar all 4 years. And while she's been here, she has received both the Coaches Award and the Frank Watson Bulldog Award. Jessie plans to attend college and pursue a career in the medical field. Good luck, Jessie. Senior parents, thank you for all of your volunteer efforts these past 4 years and your support of the Lady Bulldog soccer team. This concludes our senior ceremony. Go Bulldogs!
We will step out for a second and we'll come back. We have Dunbar and LCA girls soccer here on PrepSpin.com.
White, Greer, and Maggard, where a beautiful smile is just the beginning.